Ever ordered something online and marveled at how perfectly it arrives in a cardboard box? You might not think twice about that humble container. But what if we told you the process behind making it is a high-speed symphony of machines, blades, and rollers? Get ready to witness cardboard production at insane speeds inside a real factory. In this video, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of cardboard box manufacturing. From giant paper rolls to perfectly folded boxes, you'll see how raw materials are transformed into the shipping heroes of the modern world, all in a matter of seconds. It all starts with massive rolls of paper, often made from recycled materials. These are fed into corrugating machines, which sandwich a wavy, fluted layer between two flat sheets. Using steam and glue, the paper is bonded together and dried in just seconds, forming the signature corrugated cardboard we all know. Next, the cardboard sheets race through rotary cutters that slice them into precise shapes and sizes. Need a logo or shipping label? High-speed flexographic printers stamp branding and barcodes directly onto the sheets without missing a beat, at over 200 sheets per minute. Then come the box formers. Using mechanical arms and folding plates, these machines crease and glue the sheets into flat folded box shapes, ready for shipping. Quality checkers scan every fold and print to ensure perfection at blazing speed. Finally, automated stackers bundle the boxes into piles, shrink-wrap them, and load them for distribution. Every step is optimized for speed and efficiency, keeping up with the demands of global e-commerce. Amazed by what goes into a simple box? Hit like, leave a comment with what you'd like us to cover next, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping looks inside the machines that shape our world.